Habari everyone, welcome back to Jikoni Stories, where every dish tells a story. Today we're making Mandazi, one of Kenya's loved snacks. Let me show you how I make them. We'll be needing 4 cups of flour. Put the first cup in a bowl. Now add the second, third, and fourth cup of the flour. Go ahead and add 2 cups of sugar to the flour. Teaspoons of cardamom. This is the magic. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and the second. Half teaspoon of salt for the perfect taste. Let's whisk these dry ingredients all together perfectly. We'll mix the wet ingredients together, starting with 1 beaten egg. Go ahead and add 1 cup of sweet Maziwa mala to the egg. Go in with melted vanilla margarine to the egg and milk. Now let's whisk the wet ingredients together. Ingredients and pour in the wet mixture. And combine until the dough comes together. Add the dough to a clean counter and knead gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Rest. While we wait, let me clean my workspace. While we wait for the dough to rest, let me clean my workspace. The counter with flour and place your dough ready to roll it out. Roll out the dough to about ½ an inch thick. Cut the rolled dough into triangles the traditional way. Measure 4 cups of oil. Place it on the stove and wait for it to heat. Place a paper towel on the plate. Let's test the oil with a small piece of dough. Flip gently to cook both sides evenly. Drain the mandazi and place on paper towels. Dust the mandazi with powdered sugar while warm. Look at that beautiful coating. Perfect. Look at that fluffy interior.
Yummy!
Perfect with chai or just as a snack. Try this easy recipe.